out one at a time, and we're going to chainsaw them down to about a foot or so underneath, the whole canopy off. All these branches are going away. Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hi everybody, happy Tuesday to you. It's day 148.
We're the Quarantine Gardeners, and this is our daily video log of us accomplishing projects in our own garden and today in other people's gardens while we're under quarantine.
And thank you guys for being here and for watching today. Go ahead and click that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on all the daily videos that we post.
So guys, today we're out in Ocean Shores, Washington. We're doing a landscape project. We're doing a renovation for some older clients of mine that I had in my older landscape business. And we're gonna be doing this throughout the rest of this week, and we wanna show you the progress we make, show you the project, and then show you the progress along the way.
This is gonna be so much fun. We usually don't take landscaping jobs, but we decided why not? We love projects, right? We love working and anything to do with plants. So this is kind of an easy win for us.
So guys, today is day one of the landscape project, and we have our goals that we want to accomplish for the whole project, but also for the day. So we're going to show you what we plan on getting done today, and then tomorrow we'll show you updates on what we accomplished.
We totally encourage you to follow along through the week. And also we're posting on Instagram and Facebook. So if you're not following us on those accounts yet, please do. We'd love to see you over there in those communities. Okay, you guys, here's the start of part of one side of their yard. You can see really overgrown.
Yeah, my former clients are new clients for this project. They just bought the house. They're really excited, but they want to renovate the landscape to open it up. It's a little overgrown, and so that's our overall goal for the whole project this whole week. You can see down below here that we've already started removing some of these mugo pines, and they're coming right out, so that's good. So we wanted to open up, one of the goals we wanted to do is open up this corner of the driveway leading into the front of the house so you could see past it and it wasn't overgrowing. You didn't have to try and miss the plant. It was huge. So that first plant's gone, and we're just gonna keep going down the line here and see how far we get.
Yeah, you can see, you know, these are really cool plants. We both like them, but there are so many of them.
Yeah.
The previous owners or whoever did the landscaping, they really packed them in. Yeah. And I mean, if I could raise this up so you can see, like, they're everywhere.
Yep. And they're fun to have, they're fun to shape, they're not that hard to take care of. You basically prune them at least once, maybe twice a year, and they're real easy to maintain and care for. But at this point, they're too close together, they're too big, and the new owners of this property want to open this up and enjoy the front yard more. So guys, you can see right here, we've got a rhodie. It's been here for a couple years. It's doing not so great. It's getting a little burnt. Probably hasn't had enough water in the last couple of years. This is one of the plants we're pretty much gonna remove. It's just not doing really well here. We'd rather transplant it, but we don't have anywhere else to put it. We can't take it home with us. There's nowhere else to put it on the property. So it's just gonna be removed. And so what we're gonna do with these mugo pines is we're gonna take these out one at a time, and we're going to chainsaw them down to about a foot or so underneath, the whole canopy off. All these branches are going away. We're gonna dig around the base of the tree or the small shrub here, and we're going to then cut all the radial roots coming out from the crown. We're gonna remove what's called the crown of the plant, where the roots and the branches and shoots meet, and that will be a full removal of the plant. We're gonna leave all the roots in the ground. They're just gonna rot. This type of plant will not resprout from those roots because there's no crown and it doesn't have that characteristic to go ahead and do that. So they'll be perfectly fine, and we can leave those roots in the ground. And it's less of a mess for us to clean up later when we've disturbed all that soil around it. We're not gonna do that. It's less mess, and it costs less for the client to have to pay us to clean all that up. So it's a win-win for everybody.
You can see this beautiful water feature that the previous clients had. They used to have koi in here, but I don't think there are any left.
I think they removed them all.
They removed them all.
So guys, just to tell you real quick, we're gonna remove 4 or 5 of those mugo pines today. And then, so that's part of our goal today. Our other goal is to get into this flax plant right here, clean it up, get the old leaves out of there, just kind of make it look a little bit better. We're definitely gonna remove this barberry over here. So guys, you can see here, there's this dwarf Japanese maple. It's seen better days, but it's still alive. It's still got some nice leaf tissue there. So we're gonna clean this up and see if we can salvage this plant. And we'll see what happens in the future, but so we're gonna clean that up. And then lastly, we've got this other pine tree over here, and it's just not doing anything over here. It's kind of languishing, and we're gonna fully remove that. And that's our goals for today.
Yeah, that's a good start for today. We have 4 days on the project, so this will be a fourth of the whole project today.
Oh yeah. So guys, those are our goals for today, and hopefully we'll get all those done. We'll definitely update you tomorrow morning on how far we made it.
Yeah, and again, follow along. We're going to be posting to our Instagram story throughout the day and a little bit on Facebook. So if you want to see progress along the way or any tools we're using, we're highlighting those on those accounts.
And guys, we're super excited about our Patreon account we just set up, all the different tiers of membership. And what we want to do is we want to offer that to all of you. So if you want exclusive content from what we're doing on anything we're producing, from podcasts, to blog posts, to videos, and even projects like this, you can get exclusive content on all this if you go to Patreon and find a tier that works for you for membership.
Yeah, you guys, and we're going to be giving away some awesome new Corona pruners. I'm actually demoing them today and I'm loving them. They're super sharp. This will be a drawing coming up soon. So most of the membership tiers will be entered in this if you are one of our members.
So visit Patreon and check out our page. So guys, with all that, make sure to comment down below and leave any questions for us. We love hearing from you guys. Give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our latest videos.
And that's a wrap for today's project, at least for the video portion. We're going to keep working, but we hope you have a great day ahead. Come on back tomorrow to watch day 2.
See you tomorrow, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.